Githagathago kiria kigomeire seneta wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kigie wuigiriruku wa maratathi make ma degree no githiete na mbere kwihiriria thutha wa Kanju ya kunyabara mathomo ma university bururi-ini CUE kuuga degree iyo ndikinyaniirie ikiro. Kuhitukira irua riria riandikitwo ni muikariri gito wa Kanju ino Professor Chacha Nyaigoti, Kanju ino yugite ni irabatara ihinda makiria gutabania uthuthuria wigie degree ino ya Sakaja na iria ni ya university ya teams kuuma bururi wa Uganda. No hari macokio make Sakaja ni atianirie undu uyu akiuga ni bara ya kiuteti arahurwo niguo ndakanakorwo irebe-ini githurano-ini giukite. Guo akihitwo undu gukorwo ri muhinga kuona no nginya agakorwo irebe-ini akihuranira ugavana wa Nairobi. Maya ni riri Sakaja na mawakiri yake mekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya iria irathikiriria macira ma ngucanio cia githurano, kuria meteteire na kuhinyiriria ati maratathi maya ma Sakaja ni magiriru kuona ni athire university ino ya Uganda. Shira-ini ungi seneta wa Murang'a Irũngũ Kang'ata uria urahuranira ugavana wa kaunti ya Murang'a kwihuirwo ni gikeno thutha wa cira uria uramugomeire guteanirio ni kamiti ino na mithingi ya gukorwo ndagararire watho hari gucenjia munini wake muthenya umwe tu mbere ya gucokia maratathi make ma kwamurwo.
Dr. Irũngũ Kang'ata and his deputy Stephen Bururi-ini were duly registered as candidates for the position of governor and deputy governor respectively on the 7th of June 2022. That the replacement of Dr. Winfred Njeri Mwangi with Stephen Munani Mburu was done in compliance with the law, specifically Section 18. In light of the foregoing, the committee finds and holds that the instant complaint is unmerited and dismisses the same with no orders to costs.
Kuringana na Thomas Waithaka uria urandikithitie cira uyu wa Kang'ata arendaga kamiti ino igirie Kang'ata gukarugama githurano-ini giukite na mithingi ya gukorwo ni agararire watho gucenjia muthenya wake wa gucokia maratathi ma kwamurwo undu umwe na kwamura mundu ungi ta munini wake.
Andu aria turabingana ngamihoya metikire tucemanie barotini thabarĩ ya kugarura Murang'a ituike kaunti iria njega muno bururi-ini uyu ni guthi na mbere na ndikurugamio. Thabarĩ iyo ni ya kurora tukirie urimi witu, turore mbeu njithi, turore ugima wa mwiri na mathina maya mararehwo ni uria kwiragwo gugikia ni kwamba kugia na andu mani.
Mwena-ini wake muhuraniri ugavana wa Mombatha na kiama kia Wiper Mike Sonko egweterera nginya muthenya wa ruciu gukurana itua ria igoti hari cira uria umugomeire thutha wa kugia na mweke gwetetera kumana na mateta maria mamugomeire megie wuigiriruku wa degree yake na cira uria umugomeire wa kuhagurwo kuma wabici-ini.
Having demonstrated before the returning officer that he has a pending appeal, there was no need for the returning officer to be able to refuse to clear our candidate.
Together with the returning officer, they have overlooked rights that are secured because he attempted to interpret certain articles of the law without reference to the law itself or even judgment law or any rules at all. He made an arbitrary decision to the detriment of Wiper Democratic Party.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.